from Australia. I love Altaf Hussein, and we are together.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm from Indonesia and I'm in support of Elsaf Hussein.
Hey, this is Moise from Australia, and I just want to say that I love Altaf Hussein, and whatever he's doing a good job.
Hi, my name is Sarah from England, and I'm in support of Altaf Hussein and whatever he wishes he wants to do.
Hey, I'm Hassan. We have made this video just to give you all the straight message that this world do love Altaf Hussein. So whatever you do against him, just keep the people in mind. The people will not leave him alone. Whatever you think you can do and